We are now going to be running our pocket option auto trader with one insane profit target of $4,000. And I will be using my own strategy that I recently added to the bot. So that is strategy number 33. So if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose out that video just like this one. Also, if you want to have this binder option robot that you will see in this video, make sure you use the link that you find below the video and you can get started completely for free today also. But now, let's start up the robot and let's see how we do.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom! Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure.
And there you have it, the biggest profit target we ever have set. And you can see we made $4,474. 9 wins, 3 losses, and a 75% win rate. How amazing is that? So if you want this binder option robot yourself with my new secret strategy, link below the video and you can have this binder option robot completely for free. So with that, have an amazing day.